Did you know that wildfire smoke can travel thousands of miles and affect millions, even if you're nowhere near the fire? The air you breathe could be filled with dangerous toxins, putting your health at serious risk. But don't worry, we're here to help you stay safe before, during, and after a wildfire. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to protect yourself and your loved ones. Wildfire smoke isn't just an inconvenience, it's a serious health hazard. And while it can harm anyone, certain groups are at a much higher risk of developing severe health complications. Let's break it down. At-risk groups. Children. Their lungs are still developing, and they breathe in more air relative to their body weight. People with chronic conditions, asthma, COPD, heart disease, and diabetes patients are highly vulnerable. Pregnant women. Exposure to smoke increases the risk of preterm birth and other complications. Elderly people. Weaker immune systems and pre-existing health conditions make them more vulnerable. Why is smoke dangerous? It contains fine particulate matter, PM2.5, which can penetrate deep into the lungs and bloodstream. It carries toxic gases like carbon monoxide, benzene, and formaldehyde. Long-term exposure can cause lung infections, heart disease, and even cancer. Wildfires are becoming more frequent and intense. But with the right preparation, you can reduce your risk and keep your family safe. Here's what you need to do before a wildfire strikes. Create a wildfire emergency kit pack, essential supplies. N95 masks, filters out smoke particles. Medications, especially for respiratory conditions. Bottled water, smoke exposure dehydrates you. Non-perishable food. Important documents, ID, insurance papers. Prepare your home and surroundings. Clear, flammable materials, dry leaves, dead plants, from your yard. Install spark-resistant vents to prevent embers from entering. Use fire-resistant materials for roofs and fences. Create a defensible space, a 30-feet clearance zone around your house. Have an evacuation plan. Identify escape routes and safe meeting points. Plan for pets and elderly family members. Keep your car fueled and emergency bag ready. When the wildfire is active, your top priority is to reduce smoke exposure and stay informed. Here's how to stay safe. Monitor air quality. Use websites like airnow.gov to check pollution levels. Stay indoors if AQI, Air Quality Index, is above 150. Protect your indoor air. Close windows and doors tightly. Use HEPA air filters to remove smoke particles. Avoid burning candles or using gas stoves. They worsen indoor pollution. If you must go outside, wear an N95 mask. Regular cloth masks don't protect against smoke. Limit physical activity. Avoid jogging or exercising outdoors. If you feel dizzy, short of breath, or have chest pain, seek medical help immediately. Evacuate if necessary. Listen to local authorities. If they issue an evacuation order, leave immediately. Take your emergency kit and follow the safest route. The danger doesn't end when the flames are gone. The aftermath of a wildfire can still pose serious risks. Here's what you should do when returning home. Wait for official clearance. Only return home when authorities confirm it is safe. Check for hidden embers or structural damage before entering. Avoid breathing toxic ash. Wear gloves and an N95 mask when cleaning debris. Spray ash with water before sweeping to prevent it from becoming airborne. Dispose of contaminated food, water, and medicines. Protect your health. If you experience chronic coughing, headaches, or difficulty breathing, see a doctor. Drink plenty of water and take steam inhalation to clear lungs. Wildfire smoke is dangerous, but with the right preparation, you can protect yourself and your loved ones. Now that you know how to stay safe before, during, and after a wildfire, don't keep this information to yourself. Share it with your family and friends. Final tips. Recap. Protect your lungs with N95 masks. Monitor air quality and stay indoors when smoke levels are high. Prepare an emergency kit and have an evacuation plan. Clean up safely after the fire to avoid toxic exposure. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more life-saving tips. Stay safe, stay informed, and see you in the next video.